Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys today. Going to be talking to you today about Quant. And this is going to be a pretty exciting one as far as I'm concerned, because we've been talking about Quant forever. Now, all of a sudden, all of the different supply squeezes and the talk about the rarity of Quant is finally starting to come into play. So let's just go ahead and look at this information here. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and we just ask you to grow with us. We are excited about what is going to be happening, especially as the year progresses and in the coming new year. So let's just go ahead and look at Quant very quickly. On the last 24 hours, it's up about 2%. Let's take a look at the last week. It is up 27%, almost 28%, pretty much. Over the month, it is up 24%. Over the year, let's see what's up. It's only up about 4%, which is kind of good in a way, especially if you're looking to get in. Just to let you know, there's a lot of room to grow. Overall, it's up tremendously. There's no telling. I'm not even going to worry about the percentages there. But what we got to understand here is that Quant is still a rare commodity. Taking a look right here, we have the circulating supply of Quant at about 12 million. Now, let's go ahead and look at the crypto currency market. Realize that the market cap is still at about 3 trillion. No worries, no hurries in our case. What we're looking at right now, Bitcoin at 90,000. Man, to be honest with you, that is a great opportunity. If it was me, remember, not financial advice. If I was looking at dollar cost average and I had my average over 100,000, I definitely would be looking to do that. But just a lot of good information here as well. Let me see what else we got. I mean, we got Avalanche is at a good price at $14. Sui is at like 149, 150. Chronos, which is crypto.com. We're going to have a great price for that. Oh, but Tensor Tau is under $300, guys. So just a heads up, we got some nice bargains out there. And these are some crypto that we know that are going to survive. One of the things we got to understand is that this too shall pass. And absolutely, Bitcoin is going to be back over 100,000 someday. Now, speaking of which, let's go to the Bitcoin dominance. It's just going to be the high 50s here. Ethereum at 11.7%. Quant, let's go into the Quant website. Notice that Quant website is still kind of, how can I say, not a whole lot on it. Now, this guy right here, Gilbert Verdian, who's the CEO and founder of Quant, beautiful video. I'm not even going to try to play that right now, but man, this is really nice video. Shows how intelligent he is, how much background he has with the securities, as far as all of the different crypto securities, things of that nature. He's got a background in MasterCard. I mean, the guy, if you look at his resume and his extensive experience, you will be understanding why we can be so impressed with Quant. At least I know I am. Quant Flow, digital money for the age, Quant Pay Script, introducing the language of money. Not even going to stop here, but I'm just going to look real quick. Central banks and financial institutions. You've got the digital pound, the digital euro. This is crazy good as far as like the amount of exposure that Quant is getting and the amount of influence that Quant now has, that they're working with the digital pound and the digital euro. This is amazing. Just saying. Quant is working with corporates, banks, and capital markets. We already know this. So just a heads up. There's not a lot on the website, but to be honest with you, Quant is making its own business and its own news. Now, if you go to the X site for Quant, got a lot more information there. This is the CEO, Gilbert Verdian. As far as like, this is his information here. If you want to look him up, then they're giving you a lot of great information as well. Automate your Xero payments for £1. We're going to talk about that in just a little bit of a moment here. Here is saying that financial institutions are racing to launch blockchain-based versions of traditional bank deposits here. But can this innovation scale if every institution implements its own priority approach? But Quant has a solution for that. Programmable payments credit becomes more than just a funding mechanism, it becomes a lever for financial agility. Quant has the answers for you in that as well. What is this right here? Talking about manual scheduling, batch updates, and inefficient legacy treasury management systems are costing enterprises both time and money. Learn why programmable treasury automation is the answer in the article. Beautiful information explaining and expounding on Quant. Quant, the missing layer in tokenized finance. The world's financial system is being rebuilt in real time. Money, assets, and payments are all becoming tokenized, but something crucial is missing, a way to make them work together. That is why banks need QuantNet. And this is not just fiction, this is fact. Guys, this is really amazing how Quant has stepped up and filled a vacuum that needs to be filled here. Banks, market infrastructures, and regulators are moving from tokenization pilots to regulated production, but tokenized money and tokenized assets still can't be settled with each other natively. Learn how QuantNet provides the solution. One of the things that if you're looking to make a lot of money, you want to provide solutions, and that is what Quant is doing. So this is how they're making their money. This is how Quant is getting more valuable than ever. So just a heads up on that. Let's see. UK's tokenized sterling deposits initiate represents the transformation from blockchain experimentation to production grade programmable commercial bank money at a national scale. This is beautiful. Great things are happening with Quant. Let's see what else is going on here. Talking about how that how can I say QuantNet is providing more solutions. Let's see what else we got. Quant Fusion's multi-ledger rollup, the world's first rollup technology capable of connecting to multiple ledgers simultaneously. So guys, just saying, Quant is just making innovation. They're really like advancing as never before. They're doing things in the financial realm and the crypto space that we never seen before. So just a heads up on this, and this is the reason why Quant is becoming such a powerful player in the game. So let's keep that in mind as we look at the Quant information. Yeah, let's go ahead and go to some articles as a matter of fact. Here's another one here talking about Quant crypto exchange supply at record lows. It says the London-based Quant network is slowly climbing in a red market. In other words, while some things, well, basically everything is going down, it appears, and let me go back right up here, that Quant is going up. Notice right here, like I said, over the past week, technically is up almost 30%. And in the last month, Quant is up about 25%. So while everything else seems to be going down, and I don't want to say everything, but remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice, right? But everything seems to be going in a certain direction. Quant is going in an upward direction, which is really good. Let's talk about this little short squeeze that we're looking at. So it says right here, the London-based Quant network is slowly climbing in a red market. Going to read a little bit of this. It says Quant network at Quant has been quietly pushing higher, even as most of the crypto market stays red. While major coins struggle to hold support, Quant has managed to nudge its way towards the mid-90s. After, and really, if you look at what we just seen right here, Quant is in the high 90s at the moment that of this article. I mean, well, of the video, my bad. So after 11% jump, giving it an unusual bit of strength in a gloomy week. A lot of this comes down to Quant Network's slow burn process with Overledger, the London-based company's interoperability system that claims to connect blockchains with the traditional financial rails that institutions still rely upon. So it says between shrinking exchange supply, remember Quant, it only has 12 million. Okay, there are only 12 million Quant out there, period, point blank. That's rarer than Bitcoin. Bitcoin has 21 million, Quant has 12 only. Says between shrinking exchange supply and growing attention from the crypto community, there are a few reasons why Quant crypto keeps climbing while everything else looks heavy, so to speak. Why is it climbing? There just isn't a whole lot of Quant crypto left on the exchanges. This is a huge bit of information here. Reserves have slipped to just 3.06 million tokens, which is the lowest ever recorded since the total supply is capped at, and it says 14.88 million, but any meaningful reduction in circulating liquidity magnifies price swings. On top of that, remember the circulating supply is still just 12 million. It says on top of that, futures open interest has jumped to about, what's this, 15 million as more people are taking positions after sitting on the sidelines. Now, people are seeing a winner and they're really wanting to go for it. And I think that has a lot to do with Quant. So just a heads up on that, guys. This is a great article concerning Quant, in case you are very interested. Let's go a little bit further. Let's see. This is going to be another information aspect here. This is talking about Quant partnering with Xero. Says Quant crypto analysis extremely bullish after the Xero partnership. And what is Xero? Let's go to a little bit of information here first so you can kind of see, get back to what you love with Xero. Xero is for accountants and bookkeepers and for small businesses. The business is based out of New Zealand, and so they work very, very closely with most of your English-speaking countries, especially with Great Britain, London area, et cetera, et cetera. But here they've got a lot of awards and recognition for their work. Let's see, get more done with what's this, Jax, your new AI financial super agent. While you are working in Xero, Jax takes care of a routine task and delivers your actionable insights. So let's just go ahead and talk about this particular aspect. It says, get answers to your business questions with access to real-time public information. Explore your financial data with instant, easy-to-understand answers. Automate tasks while create and send quotes and invoices with Jax and Xero, WhatsApp, SMS, and email. So this is talking about the power of, how can I say, Xero. They have teamed with Quant. They are now working together. And what I do recall, let's go back to the site here. I want to see where, yeah. Here it is. Attention Xero users right here. Let me make sure I don't mess this up. I'm gonna try to click on it. Hopefully it'll get bigger. So it says this Black Friday, we're giving you a 1-day only offer that you don't want to miss. And they're talking about how they're partnering with Xero. And I think this is, yeah. Here it's beautiful. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to get so excited. It says automate your Xero payments for $1. So, not $1. I apologize. I'm in America. My bad. Sorry. £1, right? So right here, this is talking about the Quant flow, the money engine. This is talking about your Xero payments. Remember, Xero is automated accounting service that has a lot of accounting software. These guys are now tied in with Quant, and you can automate your Xero payments for £1. Okay, there we go. So just wanted to mention this information to you. Now let's see if now let's go back to the article. Quant crypto analysis extremely bullish after the Xero partnership. Now we can cook on this a little bit. Now, says Quant unveils its partnership with Xero. Quant price has risen from after the company announced a deal with Xero, a company valued at over 13 billion. In it, the company noted that UK customers can now use Quant Flow to automate their financial transactions, including tax filing. users can now use this technology for £1 a month. Quant Flow is now helping boost the mass adoption of crypto technology. It can also help Xero customers handle other tasks such as payroll and tax, invoices, and payments. Let's go ahead and read a little bit of this. This is from Not a Cut Crypto. Quant just expanded its real world reach again, and this time directly into Xero's accounting ecosystem. Most people won't realize it yet, but connecting Quant Flow, Xero is a strategic move straight into the financial automation layer used by over 3 million UK businesses. That is a lot of businesses. That's not 3 million people, that's 3 million businesses. That is a lot of money that's going to be exchanged through the help of Quant. Guys, this is why Quant is more valuable than ever. This is why the price of Quant is going up. This is why the rarity of Quant is now coming into play. For a long time, we've been seeing this thing go sideways, sideways, sideways. And I'm just going to say it like this. It doesn't appear that Quant is going to be going sideways forever. Not financial advice, but this is full disclosure why I'm invested in Quant. I apologize for, I don't want to sound like a shill, but at the same time, there are other people out there as well. Also realizing that Quant has over 200,000, what's this? According to what I see right here on CoinMarketCap, 237,000 followers. Apparently, I'm not the only one talking. But anyways, guys, great stuff. I think Quant's going to be awesome in the future to come. Keep this in mind. Nice little video giving you a lot of little breakdown. Have a great one. Enjoy your Quant if you have it. If you don't, look into it. Al, Real Life Investing. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.